Welcome back. If you're tired of seeing that little badge pop up on your Snapchat icon every time someone adds you, you're definitely not alone. Those app icon badges can get distracting, especially when you're trying to keep your home screen clean and organized. The good news is you can easily turn this off in just a few steps. Let's go ahead. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app controls and permissions are managed. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app-specific settings where you can customize how Snapchat behaves on your phone. From there, tap on Notifications. This section gives you full control over the types of alerts Snapchat can send you. Now, look for notification categories and tap on it. Here, you'll see different types of notifications broken down into sections. Under the Friends section, find the option labeled Added You and tap on it. This is specifically for notifications when someone adds you on Snapchat. Finally, you'll see a toggle for app icon badges. Simply switch this off and that's it. You'll no longer see badge notifications for friend requests on your Snapchat app icon. This is a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference if you prefer a cleaner, less cluttered notification experience.